Gold traded with modest bearishness, hitting the lows at 33.40 levels, while silver has shown a very good swing right from the highs at 39.16. Now remember, this just watched the levels yesterday. In both the updates I have mentioned, a buy entry is only about 39.16, and what has happened precisely from 39.16, we have seen silver reversing and it is hit all the way the lows towards 37.90 now. So what to expect? Can we expect a recovery? Are we looking forward to the rise again? Big day again. The inflation data coming in from US is going to drive the markets, and it is definitely going to bring in the volatility. Which direction it's going to go, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver, we're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released right before the inflation data. Do watch it as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you look at silver on the early charts, what has happened here? See, rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement. Now, see, previously this was the channel. It has come out of this channel very clearly. Now, it may try to get into the channel. There could be an attempt by gold here, but what I am looking here is, see this, there is a change of slope as well. If you see this now, connect this like this here. Now it appears that delivering higher lows, it is trying to bounce back. There is a possibility for it to strike 3400, but I am still not yet in favor of such a good move. Yes, at best it can try to breach 39.80, 85 levels. That is the next resistance zone which it would like to breach, but that is also going to be a bit difficult here for gold. Let's understand why. See, if you look at the moving averages, these have started to converge, now trying to diverge here. Yes, it has created a very good base at 33.40. Now 33.40, 33.30, these are the two levels which gold has to breach in order to confirm the reversal today. Yes, if it trades below 33.40 first, that is a perfect sell entry, then 33.30, you can say now the bears are back. We can look forward to 33.10, and any drop below 33.10 should take it all the way towards 32.80 levels. Be mindful of. Right now it is not looking downwards, it is looking upwards. That is another point to add here. It is looking upwards. It may move towards the highs. Stochastic getting into overbought zone. See, MACD after retracing now crossing over for a buy. Good sign, supportive for further rise, and the RSI is rising as well. Look at 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, see one sharp candle support here from 33.40 levels, and now trying to bounce back, a strong breakout candle, but now again coming to the same zone. So now the buying entry again 39, 33, 66, 68 should be a buying entry, but then 33, 74, 76. Now if you recall the levels 33, 74, 76, just watch my weekly video, just watch my daily video, you will find those levels there precisely, beautifully. Silver reversed from this zone. So now today 33, 66, 68 should be an ideal buying entry for us, where you can say now gold is turning bullish, but then 33, 75, 76, 33, 84, 85 are the levels it needs to breach in order to move towards 3400. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge. Wait for a crossover here. RSI rising, supportive for further bullishness. Look at 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, what has happened? It has formed a good base. It has shown a reversal, trying to rise here. First bullish candle. There is a possibility of second and third bullish candles as well. But I'll say the buying entries now are only about 33, 66, 68, beyond which you can say 33, 74, 75. Or 33, 74, 76 and 33, 84, 85 would be seen as the next resistance zone and the possible targets here. The moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence. This is a supportive sign for the bulls. Also notice what's happening, the rise, the retracement and the rise. Now if you connect the highs here, you can find out these are almost aligned, and it appears that a drop below 33.40, 33.30 should take it towards 32.50 levels possibly. Be mindful of this. The stochastic rising from the oversold zone, but look at the MACD. This is crossed over at the top. You can say near term top, double top is formed, and it possibly might head towards the bottom. The RSI is looking upwards, coming to 4 hours. Now see what has happened on the 4-hour charts. Prices were trading with divergence from 20 period. It has come down, taken the support from 20 period, trying to bounce back. Also this is a breakout here. However, I'll say it is definitely, because see there is a top created here, and now it is going to remain a greater resistance zone for gold to break beyond, and hence till 33, 74, 76 you have to be watchful. What I do see this as a double top, slightly inclined, which could take it all the way towards double bottom, or maybe slightly higher, which means 32, 60, 32, 80 zone could be seen here. The stochastic has dropped, trying to bounce back. The MACD has crossed over here. Not a good sign for the bulls, though it is coming from a slightly lower level, and hence it can cross over again on the buy side, but greater struggle is there. RSI rising. Coming to the daily. Now, before we proceed to daily charts, if you are also willing to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch starting 21st of July. I have not responded to many of your queries. I will revert to the all the queries today, and thus be a little patient with me. Yes, due to time constraints, I was not able to respond, and thus join the mentorship batch today. Reserve your seats. Only limited seats are available. Connect with me. Write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And those looking forward to just trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Any of your queries, connect with me via Telegram or email. The contact details are there in the channel and video description. And those who are looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, look at the daily charts here. What you'll see, first of all, yesterday it is started with higher highs, and then we have seen a pullback. Today, in all possibility, once it trades below 3340 and 3330 zone, you can expect a greater correction. The next support levels towards 3320 and if that is taken, remember what's happening here. See, first of all, this was the greater dip, the resistance here at 3400 intact, then the rise, then the retracement, then the rise. Now, in all possibility, it might deliver a second red candle, and hence below 3340 you have to be watchful, you have to be careful. It might move towards higher lows here. It might move towards 3280 or in fact 3260 levels. Be watchful. The stochastic overbought the MACD here. Now, interestingly, the MACD is still supportive of a rise here on the upside. So let's watch out. The direction it takes today is going to remain important. The RSI is rising as well. So considering this, now what I'll recommend, the buying entry now is limited at around 33, 66, 68, where we can expect the next target to be towards 33, 74, 76, 33, 84, 85, and then 3400 the next. Any move beyond 3400, just close your eyes, stay bullish. Beyond 3400 we are looking at 3422 directly, and then 3440 and 3450 levels will appear as the next strongest resistance and next milestone for gold on the upside. On the downside, now the selling entries are only limited at 3350. Below 3350 you can take a sell, expect 3340 42, 3330 32, 3320 22, and then 3310 12. So every 100 pips or $10 there is a support. Once it trades below 33.10.12, possibility of a move towards 32.80 levels will be very high, and below that 32.60 will be seen. Below that a greater correction to follow. 32.48, 32.20, 3200 should be seen very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, what it did here, right from the highs at 39.16, we have seen a greater plunge. It has moved all the way towards 3790. Now see what is happening since then. Lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. Now very important for silver to trade beyond 3850, 3860 zone, only above which you can say now the bulls are back. Also look at these candles here. In fact, you can buy here at 3830, but then 3840, 50, 60. Three resistances every 10 cents. Beyond 3860 is where we are looking forward to a greater rise. Then what we should treat this as it is bottomed, and then it will bounce back. So once it breaches 3840, 3850, 3860 levels, you can say more bullishness should prevail there. Also, this comes with the preceding candle comes with a bigger tail. It's a good sign that possibly this could lead to a reversal here. Moving averages have started to converge. The stochastic is also bounced back. The MACD has crossed over here at the top and trading bearish as of now. RSI is flat. Look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, notice first this top here, then a pullback, then a dead cross here. Now I'll watch out the next candle, because see, this might close here in a doji, and the next candle might again start on a bearish note where the price is gonna head lower. Now it is pretty important to note that today, first, if silver trades below 3780, 3760 zone, stay short. There is a strong possibility of a move towards 37.20 and $37 zone as the next targets. But at the same time, 38.40, 38.60 on the upside, if it breaches, the possibility of 39, 39.20 will be very high. Stochastic rising from the oversold. The MACD has crossed over at the top, trading divergent and bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. Look at the 3-hour. On the 3-hour charts, what has happened? See, after the drop taking the support, we have seen a retracement. Now see, On the upside, the resistances have got stronger. The current candle is also closing above 20 period moving average, strengthened the zone here. So now if you see, it is staying below 38.10 itself. When you see the low higher price below 38.10, you can take a sell entry, but then 37.90, 37.80 is what it needs to breach. Once it trades below 37.80, 37.90 zone, we can say now we are looking forward to a greater dip. 37.50, 37.40, or in fact 37.20, 37 should be seen here. Let's wait for this to deliver this breakout. Stochastic getting oversold. Now, interestingly, the MACD has crossed over at the top and it is looking downwards. It is trading with divergence. This is a bearish sign here. The RSI has dropped as well. On the 4-hour charts, when you see, similar is the observation. On the 4-hour charts, you can see prices have just kissed the 20 period here and now trying to bounce back. Also, look at the bearishness, diminishing bearishness. So now, if you see silver trading above 38.30, when you see the higher prices above 38.30, you can take a buying trade. And then 38, 40, 50, 60 till 38.60, you have to count just 10 cents trailing. Beyond 38.60, we can consider this for a reversal. It might head towards 39, and any move beyond 39.20, remember, any move beyond 39.20 is stay bullish. It might head towards 40 very soon. Stochastic getting oversold. Now see, MACD after a good rise, it is now crossed over first red candle. There is a possibility of a series of red candles. The RSI has dropped. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, notice first the preceding candle outside Bollinger Bands. This could become reversal. Today's candle is pretty important. It can erase the gains from this candle. It can again fall back within the zone at 37.36. Greater, faster the rise, faster could be the retracement. But right now, I'll say till 37.80, you have to be cautious here. Below 37.80, there will be a pull on the downside, which is going to take it towards 37.40, 50 first, 37.20, 37 the next. Till 37, it has got greater supports. Also notice the rise, the retracement, it is consolidated enough here. It is giving a breakout, and any move now beyond 38.60 should take it towards the highs as well. Let's watch out the direction it takes. Stochastic getting overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI at top. So looking at this pretty clear, you can buy at 38.30, but with the caution till 38.60. Beyond 38.60 is where the bulls are waiting. We can expect it to move towards 39, and beyond 39, 39.20 stay bullish. This could head towards 39.60 and 40 as the next targets. Possibility is there. On the downside, take a selling entry now at 38.08 levels, 38.10, $38 zone. Take a sell here. Expect it to move towards 37.80, then 37.50, 40 is the next, and then 37.20 and $37 zone. Below 37 is where the bears are waiting. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session, before the inflation data releases. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.